China is a $1 trillion market and foreigners are needed in multiple sectors. Today I will show you how to apply the modern way. No agent, no shortcut, no scam. First, let's clarify why companies hire foreigners in 2025 and 2026. There are three major reasons. One is the China expanding the global trade. Second is need English speaking staff. And third one is the shortage of international professionals in the technology, healthcare, and engineering. This demand is rising every year. So now discuss the new China job application methods. So method one is AI-based CV matching. Website like eChina Cities, Hire China, and Za Open Global now scan your CV and match you automatically with the companies. Method two is direct hiring via Boss application. BOSS. Zypin allows direct messaging with HR, instant interviews, location-based job search, video interview scheduling. Number three is the talent portals. This is an important method. Shanghai Talent Port is there, and Shenzhen International Talent Hub is there. Beijing Overseas Talent Center is there. There is three centers are very best and official government hiring systems. So let's understand what is the top websites and applications to find real jobs. Likewise, here are so many portals. One is the eChina Cities, Hire China, Laowise Careers, China Job, Zaopin Global, Lipin Overseas. One is 51 Job International, Smart Shanghai Jobs. These are websites having the English pages, and you can directly upload your CV and can discuss the job opportunities over there. One more good method is the mobile application. So you will download the application through Play Store. One is the Boss Zypin, BOSSZHIPIN. The descriptions carry all the links over there. One is another application is 58 Tong Chen. One is the WeChat mini programs for job near me. One is the LinkedIn China page, still active for foreign hiring. Now let's discuss the recruitment agencies hiring foreigners. There are too many trusted agencies in China which directly accept your applications. So here are the list of these, and these all the lists are available in the descriptions. You can directly contact with them. So number one is the China International Talent Exchange. This is the state agency. Recruitment agency, and register yourself over there. One is the foreign HR, one is the career China. Hey China is there. Michael Page is there. Now China Global Recruitment Bureau is the one of the good agency. TEG Foreign Talent Solution is there. They are working for foreign talent. Blue Sky Talent Group is there. Along with this, there is always sign a contract only after verification. So just have a discussion on the what are the high salary jobs categories in China. So foreigners are earning in between 800 RMB to 30,000 RMBs per month. So many jobs are there. For example, one is English teaching job is there. Software and AI jobs are there. Manufacturing and QC jobs are there. Robotics, IT networking, mechanical and electrical engineering are there. Business development is there. And along with there, the sales and marketing, healthcare and nursing, automotive sectors, and pharmaceutical and chemical industry. There are so many jobs in pharmaceutical and chemical industries, and high paying jobs are there. So another path is there. It's a very good path known as the K visa pathway. The China K visa offers the benefits of young STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics professionals by providing the flexibility in work and stay simplifying the application processes. It enables activities beyond the traditional employment, such as the research, entrepreneurship, and cultural exchange. Some key advantages are there. like lack of required employment sponsorship, multiple entry permissions, longer visa validity period, and streamlined processing, which makes it easier for the skilled individuals to engage with China's innovation-driven economy. Here are some benefits for the K visa for the China. There is no employer sponsorship. Unlike many traditional visas, the K visa does not require a job offer or sponsorship form a domestic employer, allowing for greater autonomy. Flexibility in activities. The visa allows for a wider range of professional activities, including research, entrepreneurship, academic projects, cultural exchange, and businesses. Not just a single, but it's a fixed job also. One is the streamlined application. The application process is simplified and promises to be measured, digital, and straightforward than previous visa types. Multiple entries, holders can enter and exit China multiple times without needing a new visa each time, which is beneficial for the personal traveling for the international collaborations. So one is more, you can extend your duration. Visa allows for the long period for the stay, giving individuals more time to complete their work or research. Uh, Direct career growth, it provides a pathway for the graduates to quickly enter the China growing business market and research institutes without the usual visa hurdles. So here is very simple step-by-step application process. Prepare your CV. It must be translated into Chinese. Make 1 minute introduction video. Apply 7 to 10 websites. Message HR directly on both application. Attach online interviews. Receive notification letter from the work visas. Submit the document to Chinese embassies. Get Z visa or K visa. Fly and get residence permit. So this is the latest and fastest ways to get the real jobs in China. No scam, no shortcut, just the right method. This is Aqeel from Opportunities with Aqeel. Like and submit for more global career updates. Thank you.